Hello, this is James Fisher, and just to have a little part two to our previous video, I wanted to discuss now molarity with moles involved, because like I said before, moles can lead you to a lot of areas in chemistry and especially concentration. So we have a formula which is in basic reference tables or periodic reference tables or chemistry reference tables. You have the molarity equaling to a quotient again, which is the moles divided by the liters of solution. Now the liters of solution obviously expresses the volume and the N is in moles. And that's how you find your concentration. But if we switch it using basic algebra to express the moles point of view, we're going to have the moles equaling to the liters of solution times the molarity given. And that's an easy way to understand it. And just to have some product relationships, if we have the liters going up, obviously the molarity will go down if the moles are fixed. And obviously the liters will go down and the molarity will go up if the moles are fixed again. And this is actually similar to titration, where you have molarities of acids and bases and you have to find the relative number of moles, or you have a missing molarity or concentration that you have to find. So we can really see that the moles expresses a certain quantity, and in order to obtain the concentration of something, you have to have that quantity in mind. And a lot of times the moles can be given to you as coefficients in a balanced equation. It can also be given to you in grams, and you would have to divide by the formula mass to get the moles. You can also find moles by using limiting reagents and access reagents, where you subtract the mole ratios. You can also use relationships between equations and compounds, but in this case, the liters and the concentration play a big part in finding the moles of a compound. And just a little tip, because I know a lot of people might forget to do this, but always remember that concentration is in liters. So if they give you 100 milliliters, you have to convert it to liters. We cannot keep it in milliliters because it is per liter, moles per liter. You cannot have moles per milliliter, so you would have to convert the standard 1,000 mLs to 1 liter, or how many liters or milliliters milliliters that they give you converted to liters. So that's just a quick tip. Yeah, so that's basically it. The next video we're gonna talk about. What are we gonna talk about? We're gonna talk about oh yeah, in the next videos we're gonna do some sample problems using these concepts, because this concept might sound a little unclear. Certain things I might be talking about, you may be doubting, like, what is he talking about? Like, he don't know what he's talking about. So we're gonna use some example problems to understand and apply some of these concepts that we have learned. So until next time, bye.